In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all your pins on Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open the Pinterest app or visit their website on your computer. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, sign into your account using your credentials. You'll want to make sure that you're logged in so you can access all of your created content. After logging in, the next step is to navigate to your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to a page where you can see all the boards and pins you've created or saved. Once you're on your profile page, look for a section labeled Created. This is where you'll find all the pins that you've personally made. Click on that section to see a visual collection of your creative works. Now here comes the part where you can select the pins you want to delete. You will likely see checkboxes next to each pin. Click on the pins you want to remove. If you have a large number of pins to delete, you can choose to select them all at once, which will save you some time. After selecting the pins that you want to get rid of, look for an option that says Delete Selected. This option usually appears at the top or bottom of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, Pinterest might ask you to confirm that you really want to delete these pins. This step is important because it helps prevent any accidental deletions. Just take a moment to review your selections and, if you're certain you want them removed, confirm the deletion. Once you've completed this step, your selected pins will be deleted from your profile. However, if you have more pins that you want to delete, you'll need to repeat the same process. Head back to your Created section, select any additional pins, and then click Delete Selected again. Confirm each deletion, and in no time you'll have a much cleaner profile. It's important to note that once a pin is deleted, it cannot be recovered. So if there are any pins you think you might want later on, you might want to reconsider or save those pins to another board to keep them safe. After you finish going through your pins and making those deletions, take a moment to refresh your profile. This will ensure that everything is updated and that the changes you've made are reflected on your account. You should see that your profile is now cleaner and more in line with your current interests or projects. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all the pins you didn't want on Pinterest. Maintaining an organized and relevant profile can really enhance your experience on the platform, as it allows you to focus on the content that truly interests you. If you happen to have any questions or need clarification on any part of this process, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be more than happy to assist you. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on navigating Pinterest and making the most out of your online experience. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe if you found this video helpful. Happy pinning!